Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always I'm happy to present you this kind of videos or their followers and clients and help you and orientate you to choose and buy the best properties at our beautiful and sunny Costa Blanca region. I'm staying today at our favorite La Mata, not only our favorite La Mata, as we work long time here, and also favorite La Mata from the clients. So the reply of the clients, they always want to buy something in La Mata, and now there's a lot of demand, and each time is harder and harder to find something good in this area, because behind me, just 600 meters from here, we have the beach of La Mata. It's the best beach of Torrevieja, and many people want to buy something near this beach. And today is the day. We have, well, one apartment in Parque Mar 4 in this complex here. Now it's hard to find something in Parque Mar. Any Parque Mar now. Last days, our clients are asking us, do you have something? And unfortunately, there's not much options. So this is the case. We have one bedroom apartment on the 3rd floor with a closed gate garage, underground garage, and it's closed, so private garage and nice apartment with big terrace, with communal swimming pool, within more walls. Let's go to see it. So, I want to mention that the building is very well kept, as it is a very good developer that has built this project. The building also has an elevator that goes to the underground garage. So now we are on the 3rd floor. Let's start with the review. This is the main entrance and direct access to the living room and this American style kitchen. The kitchen is not new, but it's very well kept, and yeah, it's possible to change maybe the white goods and still using the kitchen, because yeah, it's in good condition. So this is the spacey living room, as you see. The dining area, well, you can switch it if you want, but on this case, this apartment has 50 square meters constructed area, so one bedroom but spacey. We have a slide door that drives us direct to this big terrace with 15 square meters size. So friends, before I show you this nice terrace, I want just to say quick that the developer that has done this project is well-known developer, good qualities. The building is well kept, and the elevator goes direct here to the 3rd floor and also to the underground garage. I was very wondered when I came to this 15 square meters terrace. Even we have a view to the salt lake of La Mata. We have opened view here to Dunas de La Mata, next community, and Torre La Mata. So view at Torre Blanca, Torre La Mata, so nice view from here. I like very much that we have opened views. We have no neighbor building on front. And friends, also this is south and this is west, so we have sun always here in the afternoon. We sold one apartment below this apartment in the next block. It's very sunny in the afternoon, so you will have a lot of sunshine in this nice big 15 square meter terrace, and also big advantage that you can close the windows and you can sit here in the winter, enjoy, and yes, it's protected from the wind and cold temperatures in the winter time. Now follow me and I show you the living room with these slide doors. We can access to the terrace from the living room and dining area. In Parque Mar 4, well, it's one bedroom apartment, but it has a good size. It has a 50 square meter size. All Parque Mars, they usually have nice big, well, big for the Spanish apartments, for the Spanish standards. We have a big living room with nice American style kitchen. The kitchen is not new, but the kitchen still well kept, and maybe changing the white goods. You can still using this kitchen because it's wood and it's good quality, and yet it's not modern but still well kept. And now, friends, let me show you on the left side we have a bedroom with a window. The bedroom is also original but still well kept. And next here we have a nice size bedroom with a window that goes to the terrace, and maybe I'll check it here. We have a lot of space and inbuilt wardrobe this side. So yes, we have a lot of space and a very good distribution. On this case, yeah, everything will be included in the price, and yeah, I think it's a nice opportunity. So friends, basically I'm in love with this property. I always like all Parkemars. Every Parkemar is very nice, but especially Parkemar 5 and 4 on this case are very good communities. They are offering very good communal areas, big pool, the location is top, big terrace, nice apartment. Something must to be done, but yeah, changing maybe some small things, furniture, renovating a bit the kitchen and the bedroom. You have the apartment of your dreams. Believe me, this is a nice place. You will never regret buying here in Parkemar, and it also has a nice liquidity. In the future, if you want to sell it, it will be sold very, very fast. And remember, this apartment has also a completely closed garage on the underground. It's valued at more or less 20 up to 25,000 euro if you will sell it separately. So this garage and the apartment altogether 160,000 euro makes a very good price. Last time there's nothing in Parkemar 4. This is a nice apartment. Definitely we recommend it. Yes, be quick because it will be sold very fast, I promise. If you need more details, don't mind to contact me. We have my contact details below this video. Share this video with your family, your friends, your lovers. Give us a like, and I wish you all the best. Have a nice summer, and I see you next time at our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.